Yes, catch this wave though. This color, absolutely gorgeous. So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showcasing this unit that I have on my hair right now, and yes, this is a whole freaking vibe. This hair is from Affordhair.com. I'll be sure to link all their information down below in the description box, so be sure to check there. And throughout this video, I'm just going to kind of walk you through my struggle process of, getting this hair together and give you guys my opinion as I go. But before I start, I wanted to let you guys know that so far, I've only had this hair on today, but so far I am in love with this unit. Straight out of the package, I was like, oh Lord, sis is kind of loud. But once I tried her on, I instantly knew she was gonna be it. So if you're interested in seeing my process and coming along this journey with me, then go ahead and stay tuned. Before I start the tutorial, I wanted to show you guys a brief unboxing of this unit. It does come in a nice white packaging, and you do get some goodies. You get a stocking cap and these lashes. Oh my gosh, they are A1. I am actually wearing these very lashes in this wig tutorial, so keep an eye lookout on them because they're popping. And you do get 2 duck clips as well. The wig does come pre-plucked, and it comes with a defined middle part, but you can part it anywhere that you want to. So I went ahead and washed the unit and everything after this. I'm showing you how it's dark rooted all the way through, and the cap construction does come with a elastic band, so if you didn't want to have to glue it all the way down, you don't have to. To hear my wig down today, I'm going to be using this. I'll try to link it down below. You probably seen me use this in a video months ago, but Lord, it was an epic fail. I've been using it for the past week. Randomly, I just pulled it out my drawer, and I was like, I had a wig on already, and it was starting to lift, and I needed to touch it up. So I was like, let me see what she's doing. Let me see what she's hitting for. And I figured out it's actually pretty good, and you don't even need to bring out the blow dryer. So yes, I'm trying sis out again one more again. If she play me, I'm gonna feel some kind of way. I'm gonna take this Even New York lace glue and hope for the best at tacking this down. The consistency looks like this. It's really sticky, and I think that's what causes it to be for the lace to adhere to it easily. Years later, and I finally wrestled this wig onto my head. Yes, sis, it was a whole struggle in these wig streets for me getting this unit on. I probably spoke it into existence, honestly, because that glue was not letting me live. I ended up bringing out my blow dryer. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead, and it doesn't look casty the hairline in my mirror, but on camera right now it does. So I'm going to kind of blend it out with some concealer and probably some powder. I think I'm going to do a right side part, but I just want to show you guys how far you can part this unit back. And I did use my Even New York lace tint because I didn't feel like bleaching the knots. That tint got me lazy. Okay. I don't know. You guys seen I had that lighter cap on, so I'm gonna have to blend the parting space out, of course. But ooh, is this kind of cute or whatever? I don't know why I was kind of nervous at first about this color, but she actually kind of popping. She is popping. Ain't no kind of to it. Now, I didn't get a lot of shedding until I went in and plucked the hairline. The hairline does come semi pre-plucked, but it wasn't plucked enough for me. But ever since then, I've been getting like a pretty good amount of shedding, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna die down because, like I said, I didn't really get any shedding when I shampooed it. And when I was playing around in it earlier, I only probably got like 2 strands of shedding. I wanted you guys to see this hair in its natural state because I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it. I should curl it, but your girl, like, I'm not about to do that tonight. She's just not. This hair is so full and gorgeous. All the body. I'm going to see how well this hair takes heat right now. She actually looks super gorgeous as is, in my opinion. But I'm just going to go ahead and straighten it. So I want to share my final thoughts about this unit. Once again, as I stated before, I didn't get a lot of shedding. I haven't gotten any tangling so far. I like how this unit did wave up once I washed it, so it just gives you like more versatility. Also, the lace on this wig, I did save a piece, but dang it, I threw it away. But I don't know if you can really tell in the unboxing, but it is like a brown hue to this lace. So all I needed to do was just spray tint it to help it, you know, just blend in a little bit more with my skin complexion. So you have options, basically, is what I'm trying to say, and choosing the color lace to best suit your skin complexion. So I'm definitely loving that about this hair company. This hair, of course, is processed, right? But they did an amazing job. I love how this hair is dark rooted all the way through. And I just love that even though this hair is processed, like, check out the ends. Like, they're not raggedy at all. Definitely a unit that I would suggest for the summertime. The density and everything I will link on the screen. All the specs that I have for this wig will be listed below in the description box, just in case you're feeling this entire vibe that I got going on. And for references, I am 5'2", so this unit is falling like she's hitting some angles, okay, sis? So let me know what you guys thought about this unit. Have you ever heard of this company? I didn't hear about this company until they approached me, and I looked at some other videos and decided to work with them. And I must say, I am definitely pleasantly surprised. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a part of the OhSo fam. So you can do that by hitting that subscribe button, and please turn on your notifications. And if you aren't following me on my social media platforms, I will list them down below as well. Until next time, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on, like. Ooh, I'm gonna be pulling some zaddies in his hair, like, ooh. Like, yes. Get shot.